Hello Keystone investors, and welcome to Altcoin 101. In this video, we'll dive into the captivating world of altcoins and learn about their potential in the ever-changing cryptocurrency market. But first, let's get a grasp of cryptocurrencies in general. Crypto has taken the world by storm since Bitcoin's introduction in 2009. These are digital currencies that use special codes to secure transactions and don't rely on a central authority, allowing people to send money securely without a middleman, like the bank. This is incredible. This new technology could literally change the way we handle money, do business, and even impact our daily lives. Now, while Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency, it's just one of the many digital assets available today. Altcoins, short for alternative coins, are any cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. They've gained a lot of popularity as they offer creative solutions to challenges that most traditional financial systems often face today. Some altcoins are built on the foundation laid by Bitcoin, while others introduce entirely new technologies and concepts. Altcoins now hold a significant share of the total market value and offer investment options for both new and experienced investors. This has piqued investors' curiosity who want to diversify their investments and capitalize on these digital assets' potential. In this video, we aim to help you better understand altcoins and their investment potential. We'll explore various aspects from their types, use cases, to factors for evaluating their growth potential. We'll also discuss the risks and challenges of investing in altcoins and offer practical information on buying, storing, and managing your investments. By the end of the video, you'll have the knowledge and the insights to navigate the world of altcoins confidently. We believe that altcoins are the new frontier of digital assets, and understanding their potential is a valuable asset for any investor. My name is Matthew, and I'm excited to embark on this adventure with you to uncover hidden gems in the crypto world and learn about the potential of altcoins together. So let's get started. Now, first things first, it's essential to know what altcoins are and how they connect to Bitcoin as we explore this topic more deeply. In this segment, we'll define altcoins, discuss their relationship with Bitcoin, and examine their market share in the cryptocurrency landscape. Altcoins, like Bitcoin, use cryptography for security and operate on a decentralized peer-to-peer network. They offer various uses, from digital payment options to platforms supporting decentralized applications. The connection between altcoins and Bitcoin varies, with some being a direct fork of the blockchain created by Bitcoin, and others drawing inspiration to create a unique blockchain with distinct features. Most altcoins, however, share this one principle with Bitcoin, which they all operate on a principle of decentralization. Now, the market share of altcoins has grown significantly over the years, reflecting increased interest and diversity in the crypto market. While Bitcoin still holds a large share of the overall market capitalization, altcoins as a whole have gained a lot of traction, making up around 40% of the total market capitalization in 2021. This increased market share indicates a maturing and diversifying cryptocurrency market. Investors are also seeing the potential of these alternative digital assets and the innovation that they offer. As the crypto landscape evolves, we can expect altcoins to play an increasingly crucial role in shaping the future of digital assets. Alright, so now that we have a better understanding of what altcoins are and their relationship to Bitcoin, let's dive into different types of altcoins that exist in this market. Utility tokens, for example, are digital tokens issued by a project or a platform, which can be used to access a specific product or a service within that ecosystem. These tokens are not designed to be investments, but rather function as a means of exchange within that specific platform. An example of utility tokens could include Ethereum's Ether, which is used to pay for transactions and computational services on the Ethereum network, or Binance Coin, BNB, used for discounted trading fees on the Binance exchange. On the other hand, security tokens are digital representation of traditional securities, such as stocks or bonds, and are subjected to regulation. These tokens often represent a share of ownership in a company or a right to future profits. Examples of security tokens could include T0, which is a blockchain-based platform for trading tokenized securities, and Polymath, which aims to simplify the process of creating and managing security tokens. Now, stablecoins are a type of cryptocurrency designed to maintain a stable value by pegging themselves to external assets, such as a fiat currency or a commodity. This allows them to provide the benefits of a cryptocurrency, such as a fast and secure transaction, while still minimizing their price volatility. Popular stablecoins could include Tether, which is pegged to the US dollar, and USD Coin, which is another dollar-backed stablecoin. Now, governance tokens are digital assets that grant the holders the right to participate in the decision-making process of a decentralized platform or a protocol. These tokens allow the users to propose, discuss, and vote on changes to the platform's rules, policies, and overall development. Examples of governance tokens could include DeFi, which is a decentralized finance platform, and Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange built on Ethereum's blockchain. Privacy tokens are cryptocurrencies designed to offer enhanced privacy. These coins use different cryptographic methods and privacy-oriented protocols to hide transaction details, such as sender and receiver addresses, as well as transaction amounts. Some well-known privacy coins could include Monero, Zcash, and Dash. Now, I'm sure by now you've noticed that the world of altcoins is incredibly diverse. Each type of altcoin serves a unique purpose and can cater to a specific needs of an investor and users alike. So now it's time to talk about the variety of different factors to consider when evaluating altcoins for potential investments. You want to consider these factors because it'll help you make informed decisions and identify promising projects in this diverse altcoin market. Market capitalization is a key metric to assess because it'll help you judge the overall size of the market and the value of a cryptocurrency. It's calculated by multiplying the current price of a coin by the total number of coins that are in circulation. A higher market cap often indicates a more established and widely adopted project. However, you don't want to just solely rely on a market cap, as it may not always accurately reflect the true potential of a project. Trading volume is also another factor to consider, as it reflects the liquidity and the overall interest in a particular altcoin. A higher trading volume typically suggests a great market interest and a more active trading environment, which can help minimize the price volatility and improve the ease of buying and selling the asset. Now, you also want to consider the use case and the utility of an altcoin, which are critical to look at, as they indicate the potential demand for a token and its practical application. Look for projects with a clear and compelling use case that address a real-world problem, which offer a valuable service. Altcoins with a strong utility are more likely to gain traction and maintain their value over time. Now, the development team and the community behind an altcoin play a vital role in its long-term success. A strong, experienced team with a track record of success can inspire confidence in the project. Similarly, an active and engaged community can also contribute to the development and adoption of the platform, which can increase the likelihood of its success over the long term. By considering these factors when evaluating altcoins, you can make more informed investment decisions and identify projects with a strong growth potential. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and investing in it always comes with risks. So do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Investing in altcoins comes with its own set of risks and challenges, and being aware of them can help you make better decisions while navigating the complex cryptocurrency market. So now I'll discuss some key points to keep in mind and keep your investments secure. Market volatility is common in the crypto world, with prices often fluctuating rapidly. To manage this, Adopt a long-term strategy and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term price movements. Regulation around cryptocurrencies are still evolving and can vary between regions, so stay informed about any changes and consider diversifying your investments across different jurisdictions to minimize risks. Scams and fraudulent projects also exist in this crypto space, so conduct thorough research before investing into any altcoins. Be cautious of projects with promising and unrealistic returns or lack of transparency. Security threats, such as hacking and phishing, can lead to loss of funds or compromised information. Choose a reputable exchange and wallets. Enable two-factor authentication and consider using a cold storage for long-term holdings. Liquidity can be a challenge for some altcoins, especially those with a smaller market cap or lower trading volume. To address this, invest in altcoins with a higher trading volume and do this on a well-established exchange. By staying aware of these risks and challenges, you can make way more informed decisions when investing into altcoins. So do your research and always talk with an advisor before making any investments into any altcoins. Now, to protect your altcoins, you want to strictly follow these security precautions. First, use a strong, unique password for all of your accounts. Second, enable two-factor authentication. And third, be cautious with any links and downloads related to crypto. Update your devices and wallets. Make sure that any softwares related to your crypto is regularly updated. Back up your private keys, your seed phrases, and more importantly, you want to diversify your investments across different wallets and exchanges. By following these best practices and carefully selecting exchanges and wallets, you can minimize risk and have peace of mind. And always conduct research, consult a financial advisor before investing. Now we get into diversification. Diversification is an essential part in this volatile market. You want to allocate funds between Bitcoin, altcoins, and all the other assets like stocks and bonds, and develop a strategy that's best suited for your risk tolerance. And there you have it, folks. In this video, we've explored altcoins, their types, risks and challenges, diversification, and risk management strategies. Now, I can't stress this enough. Remember that investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks, and it's essential to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decision. With the right approach and market understanding, you can unlock the potential of altcoins and seize the opportunities that lies within the crypto world. And that brings us to the end of our journey. I hope you found this video informative and helpful as you venture into the world of cryptocurrencies. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this. Also, feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below, as we would love to hear from you and continue our conversation. Once again, thank you for joining me on this journey, and remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed can help you make better investment decisions in the ever-evolving cryptocurrency world. My name is Matthew, and I'll see you guys in the next video.